for the gram. Bitches love the gram.
Oh wait, shit.
What's up, you guys? I'm Isaac.
I'm Cheese, and we're the Impractical duo. Welcome back to our channel.
Or welcome to our channel if you're a first-time viewer.
So today we're going to be opening up these snack crates that we got on snackcrate.com. So, we got them from like a different country. I really don't know where I got mine from. I can't remember.
Mine was Italy.
Oh yeah, there it is. Mine's from Australia.
We completely forgot.
Yeah, I did.
Because it took a week or so to come in.
The great state of kangaroos. This one's pretty cool.
Great state of the Leaning Tower.
Oh, it tells you like a little bit about of Australia and stuff like that. This one says
The establishment was 272 BC of Italy.
that's such a long time ago. Mine says established January 1st, 1901. You're just literally like
BC's.
back.
Before-
How much is your what's the capital?
Capitalism.
Canberra. That's pretty cool.
But Italy for me.
Mine's Australia.
So we'll show you what we get before we even see it.
So they wrapped us like really nice. I like this. I didn't even want to rip it. Okay, so we got Twisties. Cheese Twisties.
And we got some Samboy Atomic Tomato.
Wow.
Let's try these first.
I thought it said Jam Boy. That's pretty cool.
Samboys. Mega Tomato Hit.
Okay. You can open a lot of these. That was good. I got scared.
Real good.
You're not better than Cheetos. You know.
These are better than Cheetos. I'm not saying Cheetos are bad, but
These kind of have like a little sour kind of taste to it.
I think it's too much.
Like
too strong.
Right? Like kind of like sour cream and onion chips.
These are really good.
These were okay.
Do you ever go to Rome? No, not Rome.
Australia.
Australia.
These are from Australia. Get some twisties. Now we're gonna get some shapes. Vegemite and cheese. Do they really like cheese in Australia? That's kind of
I could really like you.
yeah. I feel loved. I feel love in this box. Here, buddy.
They're good.
Those are good. They don't really taste like cheese though. You taste the cheese in them? Next thing is. Doesn't even have a name on it.
Is that gum?
I think so. It's kind of like wrapped up. There's a few in here. I don't know. I'm just gonna open it and try it.
This is Violet Crumble.
These did kind of taste like chicken biscuits. Have you tried chicken biscuits before? Those are good.
Had a familiar taste. Here.
It was like a little chocolate.
Here. Wait.
I can't break this. Oh yeah, I can.
There, two?
Yeah, there's three.
Then why?
Sorry, I just squished
Here, let's try
mine.
mine first.
Oh, okay.
Violet Crumble. Cool. Yeah, Violet Crumble.
Kind of looks like a nutty bar.
It smells like. That's not the texture I thought was gonna be inside. It's really good. It has like a crunchy taste in the middle, but then it like slowly like
This is really weird, but
dissolves in your mouth.
if you've ever bit styrofoam, that's what it's like. Like it really is. Not to this squish thing that I did.
What is it called?
It isn't gonna be squished. It doesn't really have a name on it.
Yeah, it is. It's the Allen Fan Pulls.
Kind of has like it looks like caramel. Just like him.
They're thick.
I thought it's good.
Pure caramel inside. Look at that thin layer of chocolate. Caramel ball.
Not a fan. So now there's this Tim Tam.
Tim Tam.
Get it at your local Australian store.
Is it bad that I thought like Australian stores would have like a different kind of barcode?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But it's just like the US.
Why would they have a different barcode?
I don't know. I thought they would like scan something
It was gonna
differently.
be
Like maybe like
a circle or something.
I thought like they would have like numbers and letters or something.
Bro, I'm out, man.
Oh, is this two? Oh no, just like something stacked on each other and then like a thanks. And then like a covered in chocolate.
Pretty good. There's a lot of
Ooh.
chocolate.
Okay, I think we have like one more thing in here. It's a it's gum.
Watermelon.
7 sour flavored chews.
Watermelon flavor.
You can't even say
Zappo?
that.
Zappo?
Is that a C and a J? Like Zappy? No, that's not right.
No, it's Zappo. Hey man,
So they're all individually wrapped.
I'm about to go to like all these places and just eat.
These are all really good. They're really different from what the US would sell, honestly.
It's better than our last video that we ate stuff.
Mmm. That's really good. That's really cool.
Pretty cool.
And that one was actually really good. I give that a good
I'd say a 9.
I give it a good 8. 8 out of 10.
Okay, put all these back. So here's our next one. This one's from Italy. So the first one we'll do is Amica. Look at the snacks. I tried to say America, but they
croissants.
misspelled it.
This one says Bauli. Bauli el croissant. Chocolate.
Ooh, these look like
Funyuns.
These look like Funyuns and Cheetos.
Ooh,
They don't smell like either.
they have a really strong smell to them. Don't say. That's okay. Now I'll try a croissant. That's not what I expected it to look like. It smells like paint. Don't taste like paint. It tastes like chocolate. This one is Duck Crisp.
This is
Cod-
Ringo.
Cote al forno.
Ringo.
Ringo. Like Ringo? The lizard? Ooh. These are like potato chips, kind of. They kind of like remind me of those like those little pretzel things that we tried. Oh no, the chicken biscuit things.
Thumbs up. They're good.
Just like Lay's kind of. Yeah.
So this is Ringo.
Dude, did they spill out the?
No. It just says
I thought it was gonna like
Oh, it has
R-I-N-G-O. That's pretty cool.
R. I.
That's cracked. Oh, you just cracked now too.
That's why.
Oh, minus.
Oh, mine is from the middle.
That's R and O.
It's like an Oreo. Is it as good as an Oreo?
It's good though. Those would be
Really
some
good.
great with some milk.
Duplo coconut.
Wow. It has a cool little look to it. Something interesting.
This is good. They have like a little hidden inside.
I haven't looked at it. Oh, that's where the nuts out. That's good. So they gave us like gummies.
Grand
Red, white,
Galize.
orange, yellow,
Grand Galize.
and red.
Grand Galize.
Okay. Oh,
I'm gonna water down my mouth.
these are like cool little sugar gummies. Kind of like drops, but like with sugar, like sugar coated drops.
Drops.
You know those little candies in the yellow box? I usually,
yeah.
I usually only get them for Halloween.
These are really good.
They're not called drops. They're called dots. Dots. That's why you're like drops. That makes sense. I'm so sorry.
Snack crates are best shared with friends. Refer a friend, get $10. I should refer to you.
No,
Dante. Get over here.
So we got a nice little gift from one of our friends up in New York, and
We're gonna see what it is, and we're gonna open it up.
he even put a little note in there somewhere, and it says, "A gift for you. Good luck, guys. I hope y'all feel it the next day. Miss y'all. I'm Curious George." Thanks, buddy.
And so what he sent us is Inferno XXX Jurassic Jerky. We got a glimpse of it, and we got ourselves some milk.
Milk.
It says here, full Carolina Reaper pepper included in every bag. Made of Carolina pepper, the hottest pepper in the world.
What?
I'm getting anxiety.
Yeah, I'm scared on this.
I'm like really scared.
If anybody knows us, we cannot eat hot stuff at all. Like hot Cheetos, I'm like.
I could only have like a good handful, 2 handfuls of hot Cheetos. It's kind of a lot.
Like a serving size.
But I won't have like Valentina sauce or anything like that.
Oh my gosh. Alright, well, here goes nothing. Oh, it just smells like regular beef jerky. I was scared.
I can smell some hot. It smells like Valentina sauce. Some hot sauce. Like my heart's pounding pretty bad.
Ooh, feel the texture that's like moist.
Ew.
Oh my god. Dude, that hits your mouth. Oh. As soon as you eat it. I'm sorry.
Oh. I swallowed it. Oh.
I got hit. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, it's so hot. Nope, I'm gonna do the milk. Oh. Oh my god.
Dude, I still feel it down my throat.
Just like burning all. Oh my god. It's like burning all the side of my tongue. Ooh. I can't even talk. Oh my gosh, George.
Let's finish the bag. How much is there?
There's just a lot in there.
No, there's not.
For how hot they are, there's a lot.
There's a whole Carolina pepper in here. That's what I said in the beginning. There's 2.
I don't think I get another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm crying. I'm literally crying.
Here.
We're gonna eat one more piece.
One more piece.
This one's for you, George.
Cheers.
The other one was for everybody else.
Here's for George. This is George.
You go first.
I'm like getting a cramp on my neck.
Cramp?
Yeah, I don't know how.
Oh my god.
Both of us.
Doesn't taste as bad. Doesn't taste as bad going in, but as soon as it's in there and set, oh my gosh. You need some milk. Oh my god. Okay, so now that we're done, or not done with that, but still trying to get over it, we're gonna go ahead and do the drawing. Oh.
Oh.
So the other day, I literally could not do the drawing. Like, I was bad. Like, it was so bad. Like, I even went outside and I threw up. Like, everything. Everything
bad.
from, like, breakfast 2 days ago. It was really bad.
Yeah, it messed up my stomach pretty bad. So we took our time and
Recovered a little bit because whew, it was bad. Alright, so what we're going to do is a little evil, but it's okay because it's funny.
We're going to be drawing some names. The first 2 names,
Are gonna
you
be
guys are the losers.
And then the last one
The third one.
will be the winner.
Let's see who wins.
Yeah, I'll pick the first one. That means I get to pick the winner. Alejandro Frescas, you are a loser.
What a loser.
That's your cousin?
My uncle.
Oh, that's your uncle. Cool.
Jose Mendoza, you're our second loser.
Sorry, man. Alrighty.
We don't mean it to offend y'all, just y'all aren't winners.
Yeah. So the winner is drum roll. No drum roll. Is Damien Zubia.
Damien is our winner. Congratulations.
Good job, man.
We'll get with you and we'll send you $100.
We know you're really far away, but we got you, man. So make sure y'all go to y'all's privacy settings because there's a lot of people that we can see, but there's also a lot of people that we can't. So if you go to your privacy settings, then you're gonna be able to see. We'll be able to see
on there. It'll allow your subscriptions to be shown, and just turn that on. We could see who subscribes, and you could be in this poll.
So make sure you keep liking, subscribing, telling your friends, tell your family, your family's family.
Don't forget to tell your dog.
Definitely waiting for your dog to subscribe.
Really Impractical Duo, and we're out of here.